delicious homemade iftar chicken biryani, Ramadan special, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. With the blessed month of Ramadan upon us, it's time to share some joy and delicious recipes for iftar. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade iftar chicken biryani. This recipe is not only mouth-watering but also easy and affordable, perfect for beginners. So, let's start it. Before we get started, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this scrumptious dish. Ingredients: for the chicken marinade, you will need 1. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 2. 1 cup yogurt. 3. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 4. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 5. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 6. Salt to taste. For the rice: 1. 2 cups basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes. 2. 4 to 5 cups water for boiling. 3. 2 to 3 green cardamom pods. 4. 2 to 3 cloves. 5. 1 bay leaf. 6. Salt to taste. For the biryani masala: 1. 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 2. 3 to 4 tomatoes, chopped. 3. 2 green chilies, chopped. 4. 1 tablespoon biryani masala. 5. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 6. Fresh coriander and mint leaves for garnish. Chicken marinade. Let's start by marinating the chicken. In a large bowl, add the chicken pieces, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix everything well, ensuring the chicken is evenly coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preparation of rice. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the rice. In a pot, bring water to a boil. Add soaked basmati rice, green cardamom pods, cloves, bay leaf, and salt. Boil the rice until it's 70 to 80% cooked. Once done, strain the rice and set it aside. Biryani masala preparation. Now, let's move on to the biryani masala. In a pan, heat oil and add cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add thinly sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Add chopped green chilies, biryani masala, and stir for a minute. Now, add chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil separates. Layering the biryani. It's time to bring everything together. In a large heavy-bottomed pot, start by layering half of the partially cooked rice at the bottom. Follow this with a layer of the marinated chicken. Sprinkle some of the biryani masala on top. Repeat the process with the remaining rice and chicken. Final layering. For the final touch, garnish the top layer with fresh coriander and mint leaves. You can also add a few fried onions for an extra burst of flavor and crunch. Sealing and cooking. To seal the pot, cover it with a tight-fitting lid or use aluminum foil. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld, resulting in a mouth-watering biryani. This allows the steam to continue cooking the rice and chicken. Final presentation. Just look at this beauty. The chicken is tender, and the rice is perfectly fluffy. The blend of spices and herbs creates an aroma that will make your mouth water. That's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this homemade iftar chicken biryani. It's not only affordable but also beginner-friendly, so give it a try and share the joy of delicious homemade biryani with your loved ones this Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our upcoming recipes. Ramadan Mubarak to you all, and until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Iftar chicken biryani lovers.